to our final segment on imports. In this segment, we're going to cover how you can enter multiple orders by using an Excel format template, and it will simplify the process. So if you have multiple orders, whether it's 1 to 5 or 1 to 50 or 1 to 100, this will be the quickest way for you to upload your information and get it into our system as quick as possible. First thing you want to do is you want to click on Import Orders. And if this is your first time, you're going to click here in order for you to download our template. That will go directly to the bottom. I'm going to close out, and I'm going to open up that Excel sheet. Presto. I already have one that I've been working on just to give you guys a little tour of it. So how do you fill out this fancy Excel sheet? So the first thing you're going to realize is the first column is asking you for your order unique ID. This will be your sales order, your purchase order, whatever special indicator that you're going to use to track your client's order. So I'm going to actually enter my own tracking order number, which is 0071236, and then my client reference number, I'm going to put 007. Presto. And if you have any other special indicators or tracking numbers, you can feel free to enter that in reference number 2, reference number 3, or reference number 4. Next, you'll be selecting your service. So if you're entering multiple service, you gotta get familiar with your service types. I chose 11 space van mile. The best way for you to find where this information's at is by scrolling down to the new order screen, and you want to click on your service type drop down. You're going to realize we have 01 bike regular for those of you that have that option, 02 bike rush, 03 van regular, 04 van rush, 11 van mile. Then we have number 12 two-man regular, so that's 2 guys in a van. Then we have 13 box regular, which is a box truck. We have number 20, which is a van 3-hour service. And then we also have 51 white glove box truck, and so forth. So get familiar with those service types, because that's the information you're going to need to input on your Excel sheet. Then your vehicle type will always be any. We don't use route numbers. And then you're going to enter your caller's name. So who is the caller for this actual order? Followed by your driver service. Services is my department. The person is placing the order's contact number. This is really helpful in case of an emergency. Any emails or any type of special instructions. Then I will be able to enter the pickup name of the company, which is Select Express in this case. My pickup contact, which is Billy Ray. I can also enter the pickup phone number, and then I'm going to enter my pickup street. Let me just move this a little bit. And pickup street number 2. Now this is crucial. Now imagine a gentleman shows up with a book bag, and or maybe they just double parked and put their vehicle on double parked on the city streets, and they show up to a building, but you forget to put the street information number 2, and maybe in that particular building you operate anywhere from floor number 1 to 15. Can you imagine that courier going to each floor just trying to locate where the pickup should have happened? This is why it's important to input street information. So street number 2 information, floor, apartments, suites, all that good information, feel free to enter that right there. Okay, we have our pickup city. For pickup state, just be careful, make sure it's a 2-digit state code. Just going to move this a little bit. The pickup zip code. If you have any type of pickup special instructions, for example, enter door access code 123, that's where that information is going to go. Okay, pickup information. I'm going to skip this one here. I'm going to enter now my delivery information. For my delivery information, I'm going to put in my delivery company name, my delivery company contact, my delivery company phone number, and then my street, and of course again street number 2 information, floor, apartment, suite. All that information is very helpful for the delivery process. I'll enter the delivery city, the delivery state as a 2-digit code. Then I can enter the zip code. And then do I have any type of special delivery instructions? Okay. Package type, the weight, Is there a value? Do you have a declared value? So if you're one of the accounts that currently has a declared value, this is where you're going to enter that information. How many pieces? And then you want to enter your pickup target from, target to, and target from, and of course the delivery time frame. So from here you can see I have it at 9 o'clock and the delivery to take place by 11. And then do you have any type of package reference number or information? And this will go all the way to the end. So if you have those fields and you need to input that information, feel free. Once you're done, the next step will be to save this information. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Save As, and I'm going to call this my test import 007. I'm going to save it into my documents. I'm going to click on Save. Boom, I'm ready to go. I'm going to close this out. So now we're actually going to do the import process. And to import, I'm going to go back into the top of the screen where it's located under the New Orders, Express Mode. I'm going to click on Import Orders from Excel. Now I'm going to choose my file. It's under my documents. There it goes, 007. I'm going to click on Open. I'm going to upload my file, and it tells me my order was uploaded successful. If it came up with an error code, maybe something was wrong in one of the particular columns or fields, take the time to look at it. If not, don't forget, you always have an account manager you can contact. I'm going to click on OK. And now I'm actually going to check to see if that order went in correctly. Another way you can do that is by clicking on Tracking. I'm going to change the date. That's for the 14th. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click on Show Results. And presto gazinga, as you can see, here goes my order, 007. I'm going to open it up, and it's uploaded nicely into the system. And this is the quickest way for you to import multiple orders. If you have any questions, always feel free to contact your account manager. We hope you've enjoyed this video. This is the ending and the conclusion to all of the stuff that we put into YouTube. We're really excited. We hope you guys find this to be very helpful. If not, give us a call. Tell us what we can do to make it better. We're here to help you. Thank you for choosing Select Express.